Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's me Flipside. I hope you all are doing great. This video is about how to change these bulbs, the indicator bulbs on the Hyundai Grand i10 or any car of this model or any Hyundai car basically. You can change these bulbs. I got two of these bulbs for 70 rupees. The reason behind me getting these bulbs is the indicator bulbs have gone bad, so I thought I'll change them and put new ones. So I'll show you guys what it looks like on the outside. Let's go out. And before you have to change these lights, make sure you open your bonnet. The switch is here. Just open the door and pull this. Let's go out. So if you guys can see, I'll just turn on the light. You can see it's not that bright. The orange light is not as bright as it seems to, and there are flakes inside. Can you see these orange flakes even here as well? So I thought I'll change them. So let's see how to change them. From inside I removed my bonnet, so you can see a switch here, right? This one. So push it towards the right and lift your bonnet and then fix this here. Yeah, so once you have fixed this, it will be like this, and go towards the headlight section. This is your indicator bulb area where you can change them. That will be here. And for your bulb, if you want to change your bulbs, that's here. If you see this one, all right, the same way on the other side. This one is for the indicator and this one is for the headlights. So let's see how to change. I'll show you one, and so you guys can do the other one. So this is the one that we'll remove now. Okay, so you have to open it anti-clockwise. It's a little bit hard. Okay, now that it's open, it's clean. It has to be clean inside. If it's not clean, make sure you're cleaning it properly. And that is what it looks like. You have silica gel so that moisture doesn't form inside your headlight. So you need to remove this gray color one. So move it anti-clockwise and it comes out like this. Oh, as you can see, okay, the flakes have come out, so we'll just change this. Okay, now to remove this, just press it and pull it anti-clockwise and the bulb will come right out. All right, just push it and twist it anti-clockwise. So this is the bulb. Okay, I'll show you the new bulb. Let me keep this there. What's the new one? Okay, this is the new one. All right, let's fix it here. So you need to make sure that these two pins, that is one and this pin, has to align here. Okay, make sure it's aligned. So you can see these two parts, right? This one and this the other side. So make sure those are aligned. Now since you fixed the bulb here, turn it towards the right and it's locked. It doesn't fall off. All right, now fix it inside. I'll show you what it looks like from the outside. So there will be a small opening for it to get latched out. So you push it. Can you hear that snap? So push and twist. That's it, and you're done. So your indicators are changed. The same process will be there on the right side as well. Make sure you do it. If you want to change the headlight bulbs as well, that's the same procedure. Twist and turn, and that's about it. Then take this cover, fix it back, make sure it's tight and there should not be any water seepage inside. That's the reason for the washer there. And That's it, guys. There's one light that I fixed. See how bright it is. Let's see how bright this is. Okay, and see this one. It's light. This is much darker. I'll show you after. You guys can see the difference, right? Okay, I'll change the other one as well and show you guys how it looks. So these are the two bulbs. That is one, both are gone. You can see, right? The orange color coating is gone, so it was good that I changed the lights. Let's see how it looks. Cool then. That's about it, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching up until here. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, guys. Water level is correct now. Yeah, more than enough. That is brake fluid. Okay, grease is there. What about this? Okay, grease is also there. Oil. More than enough. Cool. See you guys. Bye bye.